English, Grade 7.
Tape 3.9.1. Go on Facebook. Go on Facebook. Go to the pagoda. Go to the pagoda. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go fishing. Go fishing. Watch TV. Watch TV. Play football. Play football. Hang out with friends. Hang out with friends. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Go for a picnic. Go for a picnic. Go for a bike ride. Go for a bike ride. Tape script 3.9.2.
Hi, my name is Dewi. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Kampong Thom. It's beautiful here. What's my favorite thing to do after school? Well, I sometimes go for a walk or go for a bike ride. I sometimes go to the pagoda with my grandma. But my favorite thing to do after school is to go swimming. I can swim really well. I go swimming in the lake. I don't go swimming very often. I hardly ever go swimming, but I love it.
Hello, I'm Bích. I'm 13 and I live in Bat Dong Bong. After school, I always study. After that, I have free time. I sometimes watch TV. I love Cartoon Network. I sometimes go for a bike ride. Sometimes. But my favorite thing to do after school is to go on Facebook. I always go on Facebook. I have 500 friends on Facebook. Facebook is really cool. I love Facebook.
Hey, I'm Gosal. I'm 12 and I live in Phnom Penh. After school, I'm tired. I work hard at school, so after school I relax. I never go fishing. I never go for a picnic, and I hardly ever play football. It's too hot, and I am too lazy. I hardly ever hang out with friends, but I have fun. I watch TV. I always watch TV. We have a big TV. It's my favorite thing to do after school.
Hello, I'm Ruth. I'm 14 and I'm from Kampong Cham. I love after school because after school means football. Manchester United is my favorite. I always play football. I love playing football with my friends. I never watch TV or go on Facebook. I never go swimming. I always play football. I want to play football for Cambodia one day.
Tape script 3.9.3. 1. How often do you go for a bike ride after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. 2. How often do you go for a walk after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. 3. How often do you go for a swim after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. 4. How often do you do your homework after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. 5. How often do you go fishing after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. 6. How often do you work for your parents after school? A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Hardly ever. E. Never. Tape script 3.9.4.
Hi, I'm Jamran. What do I do after school? First, I go home. Then, I usually watch TV for 30 minutes, but I sometimes work with my mom and dad. After that, I always do my homework for an hour. Then, I eat dinner with my family. After that, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Finally, I sleep. Good night.
Tape script 3.9.5.
How often do you go on Facebook after school?
I never go on Facebook after school.
How often do you go to the pagoda after school?
I usually go to the pagoda after
How
school.
often do you go swimming after school?
I sometimes go swimming after school.
How often do you go fishing after school?
I hardly ever go fishing after school.
How often do you do your homework after school?
I always do my homework after school.
Lại á.